Tired of scrubbing your pool? Meet the Beatbot AquaSense 2, your smart pool cleaning buddy. Sweat droplets robot face. Smart surface parking, it parks itself when done. Double-Pass Waterline Scrubbing, deep cleans where dirt hides. Cleans floor, walls and waterline, full coverage clean. Cordless design, no hoses, no tangles, up to 150 minutes runtime. Smart navigation system, maps and cleans efficiently. Thorough cleaning, covers the entire pool. Thumbs up easy retrieval with auto parking. Thumbs up quiet, cordless, and powerful. A bit pricey. Thumbs down takes a few hours to recharge. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 keeps your pool sparkling with zero effort.